Hi guys, welcome to part 6 of the Agent Engineering series. Today, we're diving into the most powerful concept for building true agents, agent memory. First, let's understand the concept. Agent memory allows you to create variables, which can be shared across multiple tabs in Browser GPT. They can be shared with PowerShell, and you can share them with the AI model. Okay, there are 5 simple functions of the agent memory. We can set it using setVar. We can append it, add new line. With appendVar, we can access its value using getVar, and we can clear it with clearVar. What makes this memory feature truly powerful is the ability to subscribe to variables you create. When you subscribe to a variable, anytime its value changes, your subscription JavaScript is automatically triggered. With the added ability to store, retrieve, and react to information, your agent is now virtually capable of anything. Let's see it in action. There are 2 included scripts that are designed specifically to demonstrate how this works. The first is the Agent Memory Manager. The Agent Memory Manager is a floating panel where you can manually set, get, and clear any variable without writing a single line of code. It's the perfect tool for debugging or for setting up initial values before you run a complex automation script. Let's set a variable named animal to the value cat. The green browser notification lets you know the variable has been set. Okay, now that we've set the variable, we are going to visualize what's happening with the memory viewer. This is a small script that subscribes to the variable you enter and shows a live update of its value whenever it changes. When we enter the variable name animal, we see that the value we set in the previous tab is also available in this tab too. If we go back to the tab with the memory manager and add another value, let's say owl. When we come back to the memory viewer tab, our variable has been updated automatically. These variables can be included in prompts to the AI model. All we have to do is enclose them in square brackets. Before the prompt is sent to the AI model, the variable is processed and replaced with its value. It acts just like the placeholders we explored in part 1. If we look at the text that the model received as a prompt, you can see it was sent the actual animals we entered and not the placeholder itself. The same goes for PowerShell. If we execute a simple echo command, we'll see that the animal placeholder is swapped out for the variable's value. The possibilities here are endless. Having the ability to share data across Browser GPT's tabs, PowerShell, and with the AI model allows you to build agents that don't just follow a single command, but can execute entire projects. You now have the complete toolkit to engineer intelligent agents. But what if you could architect them visually? In our next series, we're taking this to a whole new level. I'm excited to introduce the Visual Workflow Editor, a revolutionary flowchart-style interface where you can design and build these complex agents by assembling action blocks. You'll learn how to create sophisticated multi-step stateful agents, you providing the ideas and the content for each step, and the editor helping you build the agent. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, have fun, stay safe.